These are can toppers. You put them on a drink can, and so you can lock it so you can use it as a bottle. I always wanted to try these. You can find them everywhere on eBay, AliExpress. I bought these from Kmart. As you can see, we have 4 pieces. I think they were $3 or $4, maybe 5. Maybe most likely it's $3. I will put it on the screen somewhere. Yeah, so these are from Kmart, and we will try them to see if they are really effective, if they really work. So the idea is you open your can and you put this on top, so now you have a bottle. These are branded Anko, the Kmart's brand, PBA free. So it's better to try these than the ones from China, because I'm not sure if that one is safe to use. So let's see. So here are they. Nothing special here. And let me wash them and give them a try. Okay, now they are clean. Let's see how do they work. It's too big and it doesn't fit, or does it? This edge is, as you can see, I think it's supposed to hold here, but it doesn't go all the way. Okay, now it's fixed. You have to push it hard. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it with an open can. First of all, let's see. It doesn't leak, which is good. And when you're done, you close it so it will be good for later. So there, yeah, I recommend buying them. Not bad at all. Water doesn't leak, the liquid, but I don't think it's airtight. Probably the bubbles will leak if you leave them like this for long. Oops, that's not good. So the pressure pushed it out, which is not ideal. I take my word, not recommended, maybe, because the air pressure, maybe you need to leave the cap open, then it will defeat the purpose of having it, because I thought you can keep it closed so the bubbles will not escape the gas. Anyway, so that's it. Thank you for watching. I left it in the fridge and same thing happened. It's totally useless.